Jane Birkin was born in London in 1946. Her full name was Jane Mallory Birkin. She had two brothers. Her father was a spy during World War II. Her mother acted in films. Jane was very shy as a child. She wanted to be a dancer. She took ballet lessons. But she was too tall for ballet. She was 5 feet 9 inches tall. She started acting instead. She was only 17 when she got married. Her first husband was a composer. His name was John Barry. He wrote the James Bond music. They had a daughter named Kate. The marriage did not last long. They divorced after 3 years. Jane moved to Paris in 1968. She was only 22 years old. She went to audition for a film. The film was called Slogan. She met Serge Gainsbourg at the audition. He was 18 years older than her. He fell in love with her immediately. They made a song called Je t'aime, moi non plus. The song was very controversial. It had sexual sounds in it. The Pope banned the song. Many countries banned it too, but it became #1 in many places. Jane could barely speak French when she recorded it. She learned French by listening to people. She never lost her English accent. French people loved her accent. Jane and Serge had a daughter. Her name was Charlotte. Charlotte became a famous actress and singer too. Jane and Serge never got married. They lived together for 12 years. Serge drank a lot of alcohol. He could be difficult. They broke up in 1980, but they stayed friends forever. Jane had another daughter named Lou. Lou's father was a film director. His name was Jacques Doyon. Lou also became an actress. The famous bag story happened in 1984. Jane was on a plane from Paris to London. She sat next to Jean-Louis Dumas. He was the CEO of Hermès. Her wicker basket broke. Everything fell out. She complained about not finding a good bag. She wanted a bag with pockets. She wanted a bag that could hold everything. Jean-Louis asked her what she needed. She drew a sketch on an airplane sick bag. She drew a big rectangular bag. She drew pockets inside. Hermès made the first Birkin bag in 1984. It took 18 hours to make one bag. Each bag is made by one person. The bag costs between $10,000 and $500,000. Some bags cost even more. There's a waiting list for years. Jane herself only owned 3 Birkin bags. She thought the bag was too expensive. She often used her old wicker basket instead. Jane acted in over 70 films. She sang on many albums. She was in French films and English films. She won awards for her acting. She was not a trained singer, but people loved her voice. It was soft and sweet. She sang in French and English. She recorded albums until she was old. Her last album came out in 2020. She was 73 years old then. Jane had many hardships in her life. Her daughter Kate died in 2013. Kate fell from a window in Paris. Jane was heartbroken. She almost stopped working. But she continued for her other daughters. Jane had leukemia. It is a type of cancer. She was diagnosed in the 1990s. She fought it for over 20 years. She had a stroke in 2021. She had another stroke in 2023. She died on July 16th, 2023. She was 76 years old. She died in Paris. All of France mourned her. Jane was an icon for many reasons. She had effortless style. She wore simple clothes, white t-shirts and jeans, flat shoes and baskets, messy hair and no makeup. She made simple look chic. She was natural and real. She did not try to look young. She embraced getting older. She showed her gray hair. She showed her wrinkles. She was honest about her life. She talked about her struggles. She was kind and generous. She gave away her Birkin bags. She auctioned them for charity. The money went to help people in Japan after the tsunami. She cared about human rights. She worked with Amnesty International. She helped refugees. She spoke out against injustice. The French government gave her many honors. She became a French citizen in 2020. She was 74 years old. She lived in France for 52 years. Paris was her home. She lived in a small apartment. It was full of books and photos. She rode a bicycle around Paris. She shopped at local markets. She was a regular person, but she was also a legend. Her funeral was at a church in Paris. Thousands of people came. They sang her songs. They brought flowers. France said goodbye to their beloved Jane. She will always be remembered.